Hey friends, artist resin here. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, this time I'm not going to make any resin creation. It's simple, not simple actually. I've been searching a lot for the ideas. So this idea originally comes from Sahara Love Fuerte Ventura. I'm sorry, Miss Sahara, if I don't pronounce it correctly. So I'll again repeat the name @Sahara Love _Fuerte Ventura. Hope so this is correct. So yeah, so she has come up with an open collaboration where she has given just single tasks each month. We have a lot of time to complete them. So I was just curious and excited also, because I don't have any idea about these things, but I'm just started to explore the topic related ideas. So I've never what we say I've never had any idea of creating a Zen space. So I've started watching some ideas, searching for some ideas if there are some pretty cool ideas, or I'll just actually my Zen space is my work area. This thing, even if it is too small, but I find solace in creating resin art pieces. So this time I'm just trying to create a Zen space. For that I'll first create a Buddha statue from this clay. So this is open as I had used it few days back for my daughter's project, and since then it was kept in airtight container. So now I've got a chance to reuse it. So here we go. As it will take, I've never created any clay idol, but let's try. We can try. I know I'm not a professional, but unless you try, how you'll know if you can do it or not. So yeah, this is the clay, and I have cut a little bit of water to make it a bit softer, so it becomes easy to use. So let me mix the clay properly. So yeah, so friends, do check out her channel, and some very beautiful and unique ideas are there, and I just wanted to collaborate with her, so I have just started. Yeah, so I'll be recording the process in fast forward, as it might become boring for you to watch the entire process, and it will be a lengthy process. So let's go for fast forward. Yes. So now it is cured fully, and this keeps moving around. I find it too funny, but this is what I can do the best, because I never made any clay miniatures in my childhood. I played with clay, but never dared to create any figure or something. So I'll just color it down, and I'll edit this in fast forward. Now I'll allow this to dry and add details afterwards on it. Till then we can prepare our Zen garden. So I had a box, a square box, but I'm not able to find it. So I have thought of a better option. I mean, it would be called a resin mini Zen garden, as I have this bowl with me. So I'll add my garden in this, and some artificial flowers, plants, and also I have stones to add, and I will add all the things. So mini Buddha will meditate above the garden. So Buddha has dried, it's touched to dry. I'll color his hairs with the golden color. Now it's time to add the detailing. I don't know, this doesn't look professional at all, but I am trying my best, and I wanted to make one Zen garden. Actually, it was a Zen Space, but they give us a sense of peace. So I can say they are almost the same, and I don't have a wooden shovel as well, but I'll try to create that as well. So I can say that my mini Zen Space or Zen garden is totally handmade. Yeah. And now I'll speed up the process to avoid you getting bored. Yes. So here is my mini Buddha. I think it is cute. I don't know if you like it or not, but I tried my best, and I wanted everything to be handmade, so I just made a Buddha statue. I could have bought from market, but I wanted it to be handmade, so I tried my best. here is my mini Zen garden, and I didn't get a shovel anywhere, so I created one. It's not very good, but yeah, it can do the work. Yeah, so let's see. And we can just